Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Andy here, back again with another exciting ass fucking video, boys. Let's go. As you might have seen from the title already, we're there. We fucking made it, boy. We fucking made it. It is time to take our fucking payouts. So let's go. Yeah, it took me, let's see how many trading days it took. I think it took me about eight trading days. 5 of those were winning. Obviously. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, 3 days. Loser to like break even, just whatever days. Couldn't make much. But yeah, today was fucking rough, guys. Like, come on. What was this price action, dude? Like, yeah, we were good here, but trading this was really, really hard. So yeah, I struggled quite a bit. Took me a bunch of trades, as you might have seen, like 19 trades or something, or 29. What was it? Yeah, 29 trades it took me. And then I clutched up holding Lantos trade, and that put me exactly where I needed to be on the day. So yeah, but man, holding it was rough. I was just slow grinding, like big wicks, like fake outs, like just, random ass shit, right? But yeah, we did it. We fucking did it. So I'm going to take out like close to half the balance on these accounts. I'm going to leave $1,000 in there, and then just trade that, or if I can go in with a news trade or something and get the accounts right back to where they were, like a straddle situation or something like that. But yeah, I want to leave $1,000 in here. So yeah, this one I can take half. All the other ones, it's gonna be 944. So yeah, this one take half, and the other ones I take 944.72. Not exactly half, because that would put me under $1,000. So let's see what the payout will be. Sorry for the super high brightness. Can't do anything about it. Wait, I already have the balances written down here. So this one we're gonna be taking straight up half. So if we take half, what will that be? 3, I think I need to do 2134, 2012 divided by 2. Oh yeah, that's 1067. So I'll just have 1067 left on these accounts, on this one account. And then all the other ones, I'll have 944.72 left, because it's not over 2K, and so I can't leave a $1,000 balance. Let's see, on the first one, I mean, it has to be slightly above it. 944.72. So that's the 4 accounts. So once we do that, right, we just sum all this shit. So that's 4,845, and then we gotta do parentheses, I think. Yeah. Do this, and then times it by 0.90. Oh, there we go. That's a $4,361 payout straight to our fucking bank accounts. Let's go. Okay, so let's start requesting this shit. Fetching last account balance. Yep, I'm good, bro. I'm good. One business day. Let's go. Okay. Save wise info. USD. Payout amount from this account is gonna be 1067.06. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, I acknowledge that my thing can't go below 0, that this is 50%. I wish I can move this aside for a second. Just want to make sure. Yeah. 1067. We click submit. Okay, that's 1. And then other accounts, we're just gonna do $944 on the other ones. Okay, do this again and again. 944, and we click submit. 944. We click submit, and then 944. Submit, 944. And then just click submit. And that should be good. So we submitted it. So 850, 850, 850, 850, 960. So after the profit split and all that, right? So if we add up all these numbers, 850 times 4 plus 960. Oh, we can just do it on the calculator. So let's see. 960 plus 4 times, oh my god. There we go. So 960, right? Yeah. 960 times 4 times 850. Wait. Okay, what is this calculator, bro? Oh my god. Bro, this is the most scuffed I've ever been in my life. Huh? What is going on? Okay. So 960 plus 4 times, there we go, 850. There we go. This is the right number. And that should be $4,360 of payout money. Let's go. Okay. So yeah, that's going to be our payout. I really needed to do that anyway so I can update my banner up above and also for my description and all that, right? So let's go over the trade that we did take. Let me open up TradingView real quick. I already have it logged and everything. So yeah, this is the trade that I took, which was Lantos. So yeah, we were displacing bullishly, and we had internal highs and all that above. You know, we had a good close, and we held a 1 minute fair value gap here. This one right here. So we held that one really well, retested it. So yeah, I mean, we just wanted price to go higher, and the take profit was all the way up at 981, I believe, or sorry, 986, around 986. But I only needed $150, so I sold pretty early, right? So yeah, yeah, we targeted internal highs and higher time frame targets on the 30-minute. So yeah, it was a pretty easy trade to take, but holding it was rough. It was a 40-minute hold, and yeah, it was like watching paint dry. Like, the market was not moving at all. I was like, you know, I mean, obviously I get it. It's Christmas Eve, but come on, yo. Like, the market was not moving, so it was tough. But we held out and we got the payout. So yeah. I mean, I'm going to buy like 5 more Lucid accounts, and, you know, just take the same exact trades, use CPI to pass them, you know, and yeah, trade like higher capital. So right now, I got what, 5K left balances on my Top Step. I mean, combined, so $1,000 per account. So use CPI maybe to get it right back above, since news trading is allowed on Top Step, and also try and pass my Lucid accounts at the same time too, so I can take higher risk and, you know, take bigger payouts and just keep scaling from there. So yeah, that's the goal for 2025. Have 15 funded accounts, have them all over the buffer, the minimum drawdown, whatever you want to call it, and then take payouts above that. My target firms for 2025 are Lucid, of course, so I'm going to be going with first, and then it will be Bullnox. I want max accounts with Bullnox. That's my next other goal for the year. which is 11. I love that firm. 3 payouts, and you can, I mean, after 3 payouts, you can take unlimited payouts, right? So that's my next one. And yeah, Top Step, I'm already maxed with them. But yeah, My 500 Futures is also on there because they do offer live accounts, and Take Profit's also on there. So pretty much all the top firms is on my fucking watch list for 2026. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I don't have anything else to say. Thank you guys for watching. You know, I get like 50-60 views on all my videos, so there is people that are watching me, and I'm so close to 300 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for that, because I've been really inactive up until recently, where I've been posting again. And thank you to Lanto as well. He's taught me a lot about patience and keeping my strategy simple, and you know, just reading price and not worrying about anything else. I do use other levels still, of course, but he's taught me how simple it can be. So I am grateful for that. I've been trading for a while now, but constantly just learning new stuff. So I'm just really thankful that I'm able to make money like this, you know, just trading and working like 2-3 hours a day. And along with school, it's just made my life so much easier. So yeah, I'm really thankful. Hope all of you have a very happy, Merry Christmas. Enjoy your time with your family. Get off the charts. I'm not going to be looking at the charts for the next 2 weeks until January 5th. And yeah, and hope you guys have a very happy new year, and I'll see you guys in the next year. All right, peace out, guys.